Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we are back with one more shipping integration demo on Matka Huolto Odoo shipping integration. It is based out of in Finland. We will see the company and shipping level configurations in this video. This module works in test and production environment. Key features of this video are multi-pack creation, label generation, and tracking of the orders directly from the Odoo dashboard. So let's get started. As this application is downloaded from the Odoo Web Store, first of all, we will configure the company settings. So for that, we will go to settings, open user and companies and go to companies. In companies, currently we have configured the demo database. So here you will mention all the information of your company and go to the configuration. As you check this box, you will mention all this information that is provided to you by the shipping provider. Currently, as is the demo, I am not mentioning the information. Next step is to configure the shipping configuration. So for that, we will navigate to our sales module, open configuration and go to shipping methods. As you go to shipping methods, you will open the shipping service name. Here, as you will see, you will mention the shipping method name, add the provider from the drop down and see the configuration. So here is the first configuration, that is company configuration. So if you have more than one company in your Odoo database, you can select any one of them to which the shipping service is applicable. Next is shipment type. There are three types of shipment type which we can select over here. Next is the message type. You can configure the message type as well and select any one of them. Next is the product type. There are different types of products as per the shipping provider and we have configured them all. You can select any one of them as per the requirement. Next is the document type. There are two types of document types. For the labels, you can configure them over here. So as this configuration that's completed, we will see one sales order. So let's create one sales order. We will add some customer name and we will add the product and add some multiple quantities. As we add the quantities, now we will add the shipping. We will select the shipping service name from the drop down and add it. Here our sale order gets completed and let's confirm it. On confirming, we will navigate to the delivery order. Here the quantity and demand quantity are fine. Now we will go to the additional information. Here you have the option to add the number of packages. So if you want the number of packages to be divided, you can mention three packages. So this quantity will have three packages. Now I have mentioned three currently. There is the career option as well. So if you want to update or change the career information from here, you can do that as well. Here tracking reference will be fetched as we validate this delivery order and label will be generated. So as we have mentioned number of packages three labels will be generated. So let's validate it. On validating this, you can see the tracking reference is fetched over here and labels are generated. As you see, there are three labels generated with all the information. Now you can also see the tracking smart button over here. So if you click on the same, you will be redirected to the tracking link and you can track your parcels directly from the Odoo dashboard. So here you can track your parcel. Currently, this is the demo one, so you might not be able to track it. Otherwise, in live version, you will be able to track the parcels from here. So this is it from our side. Let us know if you face any issues while configuring this. Our team will be there to help you out. You can also write back to us at support@rajatechnologies.com. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video. Thank you.